In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your charts. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your charts enterprise or location selected, then choose Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Charts. Select the chart you would like to share from the list to the left. I'll go ahead and choose this example chart that's already up. To share this chart with a specific user, scroll down and click Add next to Access. Let's say I want to share this chart with Max and Nan. If I don't want to share this chart with these users, I can click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. Then to exit out of this menu, I will click Close. Now this chart has been shared with those users. If I want to share it with everyone, I can scroll back up to the top and click the box Shared under Options. I do need to save this change, so I will click Save in the upper right corner. Now this chart has been shared with everyone. That's how you can share charts in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to build filters for your charts and reports.